Hey YouTube, Tuesday twos again. This time we got 50 instead of 45 of each of these Valentine's tickets. $2 Lucky Valentine, $2 Lovebirds. What do we start with today? Yeah, let's start with the Lovebirds. They were good to us last week. Maybe they'll be good to us this week. Can't imagine we can find another big winner in there, but hey, I suppose anything's possible. Maybe we'll finally find that XO symbol for 20 bucks. Well, now that we're done, let's get this started here with a $2 Scrooge McDuck. Silver, $2, not a silver dollar. Maybe we can find some arrows, some Dublin birds, and some XOs for 20. Let's see what this game gives us this week. Donut. Donut. What kind of a symbol is a donut? Nothing there. Note. Now we have an arrow. That's our first win for $2. In the win pile it goes. Nothing on the top row. We do have a second arrow for 2 wins in a row. Hey, $5. Moving on up. Can we find that XO? Nope. Wow. A little low on that one. Try that again. It's better but no wins. And nothing at the top. Top row. Looking for birds or arrows. Or an XO. Nothing. Nope. And no 50 of these to go through. Now we're getting into a loser area of the book, I guess. Real quick there. All of a sudden we start losing and losing. Well, that didn't help much. Oh, we got an XO. Now that's at least 20. I think it might be another one on here. Another 4 would be nice for 100 again. We do have that $20 though. That win 20 symbol. I was beginning to wonder if I'd ever see that. Don't think I did before. Don't play a lot of the holiday or Valentine's Day tickets anyway. I have played the St. Patrick's Days. I've done books of them before. And I definitely like the new Wonka, or not Wonka, the new Wizard of Oz. God, man, the Wonkas were tough too. I always liked them. But the Wizard of Oz might do a book of those. Just because they're not $2,500 like the 50s. Ah, the 50s are terrible. Nothing. Nope. Nothing again. We got an arrow. The auto win. Hey, another 5. Moving on up. No. 1 to 120. Nope. Well, we're about halfway through. And we need some more wins. And there's 1, 2 arrows, 3 arrows, 4, 5, 6. 6 arrows. What if it could be something good? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Somehow that doesn't seem right to me. Oh, there's a doubler bird. 16. And another one. Why didn't you tell me I had 2 birds there? I didn't even see them. That's a lot of winners on a ticket. Not bad though. Another 20. Another $20 winner. All right. This has been a good 2/3 of a book that I had from last year. We still got quite a few to go. And the lovebirds are going to once again make it hard for the new tickets to do better. Make sure I don't miss a bird again. I'll have to go through all of them now because I missed that stupid bird. The arrows were distracting me though. A couple more arrows for 2 and 4. Not bad again. At least we're winning. Nope. Last 20. We got an arrow. 4, $2. Cone. Nothing. Well, try the next one. Here we go again. Nothing. Still nothing. Another dead spot in the book. There's an arrow, finally. Hey, $5 arrow too. All right. Throat's just about giving out on me. I'm gonna have to hurry this along. It's kind of hard to hurry it. Okay, here we go again. Another arrow, another winner. 4, 2. Nothing. Nothing again. Nope. And no. 4 left. Could use a couple more wins. There we go. We got the arrow for 5. Okay. Got 2 $20 winners in this $100 run. Not there. 48. No. And 49. Last chances. Not there. Well, we do have winners. And quite a few of them. Had some 5s. 7, 9, a $4 winner. A 20. Another 5, another 20. Another 5 and a 2. Not bad. Could have been worse. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see if the new tickets can do better than that. Sure hope they do. Have a great day.